Okay, here's something pretty cool. This is a box of just kitchen cooking stuff from years, man. Like, here's the cool one. This is a little alcohol stove. I use this in Africa. It's made out of a can that, I don't know, it's a beer can. It's something I don't know if you can get here. I got a lot of alcohol stoves. That's an alcohol stove. So is this right here. But I don't really use alcohol anymore. That's an MSR pocket rocket. A long time ago, this was a super light stove, but here's another one. Look how much smaller it is. This is all titanium. Like, my whole cook set's got down to just a few ounces. That thing's feather light. Look how tiny that is compared to the pocket rocket that used to be tiny. Here's another stove here. Shit, I don't even know if I ever used that one. You can see that one got quite a bit of use. That's pretty heavy. Then I got MSR cook sets. That was used over a fire back in the day. MSR frying pan. I cooked fish that I caught right out of the river, right on the side in this thing. There's a titanium pot / cup. You can hang it to boil water for your mountain house, and then it's also a cup. Pretty cool. Super light. Here's the same thing, but stainless steel. 3 times as heavy. Probably lasts 10 times as long. Another titanium cup. I just set these right on the stove. You can see. Stainless. This one's been over just fire. This is the Stanley cup here. I think I got another one of these that's a little modified. These are super cool. Boil water in them, drink out of them, eat out of them, cook. They're kind of heavy though. These little bags are cool. You put your mountain house inside of it when you put the water in. It makes them heat up better. You can use a little bit cooler water, but they're pretty cool. Massive fucking sport collection. Titanium feather light. That fucking carabiner on there weighs more than the fucking spoon. These long spoons are cool for reaching down into those fucking camping meals. Titanium spork. Little spork. That's titanium too. Titanium toothpaste. I got a lot of sporks. There's a spork that's cool because it's used on your stove. You can use it as a wrench. I don't know. This is a spork / I don't even know what that is. It's a folding spork. Fold that fucker up. Tiny little fucker. Here's the MSR plastic sporks. They fold up too. I don't know how. Oh yeah, here it is. So this is the fucking cook set. This is badass. It's got the stainless cup with the fucking silicone wristband around the lip so that it doesn't get too fucking hot. And this is the Stanley cup with the pot with a ring on it so you can hang it from a fire. You can see this one's hung from a lot of fire. Another titanium cup. I don't know what that is. I'll show you one of my favorite cups. This fucker right here. It's a GSI plastic, but stays warm forever. That's part of my scuba diving stuff. I do that too. What else do I got in here? Oh yeah, these are what I use now. So all that kitchen stuff I showed you, I don't even use that stuff anymore. These fucking jet boils. I got different ones. Another jet boil. And then here's the MSR version of the jet boil, which I think is actually better. Costs more, but it's pretty cool. This one's got a lot of use on it.